Hello guys, welcome back to MJ Crypto, and in this video I'm going to be showing you right here right now how to determine what altcoins are saying. Okay, now I've been posting on my Telegram group. If you're not on the Telegram group, quickly join. The link is in the description of this video. I often tell you guys when altcoins are about to start pumping and when they're about to drop. All right, so I always make this available to you. This information. So right now I'm going to show you how to decipher when these things are about to happen. Now it's very simple. The very first thing you want to do is to go over here on trading view and type total 2. Just pay detailed attention. Total 2. You can see it's showing you crypto total market cap excluding BTC. All right, amazing. I'm just going to tap on this and it's going to populate right here. Now do you see it? See right here, this is the 3 days time frame. Now I love this time frame because it's an intermediate range. Okay, it shows you what is happening currently and what may also happen in the future. So it's one of my best time frames, the 3 days time frame. Okay, so what do we see right here? You can see that let me just make this available. You can see that we have trend line from this point down to this point. Good. Now let me zoom it. Let me zoom in, see it for yourself. I also have a trend line from this point right here. We have a support, and yeah, so basically this is more like a descending triangle. Okay, momentum is severely pumping up from right here, this joint here, this point here. So you can see the momentum is falling, meaning sellers are in control, and this is a clear definition of what the altcoins may do. Basically, this chart represents the altcoins, the market cap of altcoins in the market. And now, what are altcoins? Altcoins are simply any coin apart from BTC. Any coin apart from BTC, which is the dominant coin, is an altcoin, whether it's a shit coin, a meme coin, or whatever it is. ETH, BNB, Solana, all of those coins are altcoins called alternate coins, which are altcoins. Good. Now, having understood that, you can now easily see the projection of what this market may eventually do in the long term. Now, the reason why I always go into the 3 days time frame is to have a clear picture of what we are doing. You can see we're actually very bearish. Okay, you can see we're actually very bearish, and the price is about to come down again before eventually going up. Now I'm going to plot my indicator right now, my SMC indicator, and it's going to show me where I have my order blocks. You can see from the swing point here we'll have a change of character. Those of you who actually want to learn SMC, the course is coming out this month of April. In a few weeks time, just 3 weeks from now, the course will be out. So you can see we already have a change of character. Now a change of character means that the character of a trend wants to change. We have two characters, a bullish and bearish character. So it's actually changing from a bullish character into a bearish character. Can you see it? Amazing. And now at this particular zone here, we have our order block. Order block. Order blocks are usually just areas where we have huge demand or supply. Okay, I'm talking about the institutional traders coming into the market. Now, at that particular point, you can see we have what? Our huge order block. Now, let me show you something very interesting. Okay, I want to show you guys something really interesting right now. Because we have a change of character, meaning the overall trend is bearish for the total market cap of altcoins. Okay, what this signifies is that as BTC continues to dump, altcoins will dump faster. All right, altcoins are going to dump faster. This is some of the information that a lot of persons will charge you $1,000 just to show you, but I'm giving it out to you for free. But trust me, this is the very basics of what is in store in my SMC course. Okay, it's just the list. Now, the next metrics we want to check is the USDT dominance, and we're going to check that right now. USDT.D. We're just going to check that right now. You can see USDT.D. You can see this is a 3 days time frame. I'm going to wait for it to populate, everything to populate right here. You can see that we hit our support level, and it is most likely that we're going to end up smashing this zone right here. Okay, we're going to end up smashing this zone, this order block here. Can you see it? This order block. In smart money concept, there's what we call minor structure and major structure, and I've made absolute concrete videos on that. So if you are buying the course, it's something you actually look forward to, because that is what is going to show you the exact trend change of the market, so you know where we are headed. Okay, you know where exactly we are headed. Now let's look at BTC and what BTC is most likely going to do. Let's look at BTC. Let's look at BTC. Okay, I'm going to put BTC on the weekly time frame. I'm just going to do that right now. Now, you can see right here, BTC is actually on the weekly time frame, and we actually had a sell-off. Why the sell-off? Let me just show you. Had a sell-off from this zone, from this resistance right here. Okay, we had a sell-off, and we are most likely going to go down to the very order block, which is at this axis. Just show you guys right now. This at this axis. Okay, we're talking about 17K most likely. But if that doesn't happen, we may come here. We may come here to fill this imbalance. Okay, there's an imbalance right here, and this may happen at 21,600, and price may reverse back to the upside. Okay, you can see clearly that BTC had already formed what we call a wedge pattern formation, a down wedge. Okay, I'm going to show you that right now. I'll show it to you. Just hold on. Put it on 3 days time frame so that you see clearly. Okay, form the bearish wedge pattern, which is a reversal pattern to the upside, somewhere around here. This was where we got the breakout from. I'll show you right now. Just pay detailed attention to everything that I'm doing. Okay, there you go. Boom. So you can see right from this candle how it break out from that candle right there. Let me try it again. From this candle right here. Okay, you can see we had a breakout, and then price started plunging towards the upside. You see it? Amazing stuff. And it also left with an imbalance. Okay, this is what we call an imbalance, a fair value gap. I will talk about that probably maybe in my next video that I'll be uploading here on YouTube. Okay, so we got that, and price started plunging towards the upside. Hit the resistance right here. Hit our resistance right here. Okay, which was about 25,000. Okay, our resistance was about 25,000, and price began to sell off. So it's either we're going to see complete sell off back to this zone, which is the 70k zone, or we'll fill up this fair value gap at 21,500 or 21,600 down to 20,800, and then back to this other block right here before we completely sell off to the downside. We are bearish. Okay, BTC is bearish, completely bearish. We are not going above this for now. Okay, we're not going above the 30k zone for now. We're completely bearish. Look at it. So don't let anybody tell you otherwise. Okay, we're completely what? Bearish. All right, so if you actually want to use your FIB tool to confirm this, you can still go ahead. Use the FIB tool. Ahead and use the FIB tool. You can just take the very low. Put it up to the very high, and take it at 50%, 0.50. You can see it is the fair value gap. So that axis is what we call our next retracement, if possible, and that is going to be 20,500 around that axis. Okay, if we're actually going to be filling up the fair value gap, 20,500, if we eventually find support from there. So it all depends on the whales and the market movers if they decide to pump BTC from that axis. Okay, so yeah, we've analyzed this. So now let's go back to ETH USDT. Let's go back to ETH USDT and let's see what it's looking like. Completely bearish. Completely what? Bearish. Look at the change of character. Now this change of character is a swing change of character. Look at it, guys. It's a swing change of character, meaning price has moved from an uptrend and now we're in a downtrend. Gotten a retracement back to this side, meaning this is our new lower high. This right here is our lower high. Okay, this is our lower high. Just circle it. Lower high. This was our lower low after the change of character. Okay, and you can see we're completely what? Bearish. So we're expecting a downward movement from this axis back to this zone. Okay, 1,200 around that axis before price eventually should clear off and then boom, back to the upside, which is somewhere around here. All right, somewhere around this axis. Okay, good. So basically that is what we have, and we're still bearish on all the alts and of course on BTC. So guys, click on the link in the description of this video for mentorship and for signals. We give signals on daily basis on our VIP group, and it's just a token for a lifetime offer. All right, so click on the link in the description of this video if you want signals for your own benefits. And of course, the SMC trading course is coming out April 1st, 3 weeks away from now, and it's going to be live right here on my Telegram group. So please join the Telegram group. The link is in the description of the video. Like this video, share with your friends, families, colleagues at work that love crypto trading, and those of them who do not actually love crypto trading. Persuade them to come learn crypto, because this is actually the new oil. All right, cheers, peace out. I love you all so much. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more updates.